Hi, I'm Patrick with HAYCON. We're out here today at 11 East Lenox Street in Boston, one of our Generation 2 high-performance buildings that we're currently working on. The project is unique in that it's a 7-story mass timber building, so a carbon-friendly heavy timber structure. One of the cool details of this particular high-performance building is that we have a central VRF air source heat pump system that is doing the heating and cooling for the building. And if you compare this system to the system across the street in a Generation 1 project we just completed, you can see it's a lot less equipment, a lot more space for photovoltaic solar panels, which we'll have up here for generating energy, and actually less cost. So let's go inside and take a look at some of the interior. Hi, now we're on the 6th floor of the 11 East Lenox project. You can see some of the interiors here, the mass timber, CLT, glulam, columns, beams, sort of the feel of the space. And we're in the process of putting in the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, which we can take some looks at. So here we have an air handler, which is a part of the VRV system that does the heating and cooling. And just behind we have the ERV, which is doing the ventilation for the unit. It brings fresh air in and stale air out of the house, keeping it fresh and healthy for the occupants. And you can see we have some exposed ductwork, which I think is kind of cool with the timber in the background. Now we're down in the lobby, the entry of the building on the ground floor. There's no basement in the building, which is handy because of groundwater issues. You can see here we have this ready core, structural core system. It's actually a cast modular core system that's for cast in place core, which is part of the structural system of the building. We're actually going to leave the galvanized steel exposed and kind of an industrial feel adjacent to the timber, which we think will be nice.